Folks, get ready because today we are diving into 6 quantum computing stocks with bullish investor sentiment that have the potential to make you rich. These are not random picks. These are companies backed by solid fundamentals, cutting-edge innovation, and the strong confidence of Wall Street analysts. So if you're serious about making money in the stock market, make sure to watch till the end, and remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the hottest and most promising stocks in the market. First on our list is Seals Corp, trading under ticker LAS on the Nasdaq. This Swiss-based technology company is a leader in secure semiconductors and post-quantum cryptography solutions. In simple terms, Seals builds chips that protect connected devices and data systems from next-generation cyber threats that could emerge once quantum computers become powerful enough to break today's encryption. The company has been working on what's called post-quantum cryptography, or PQC, which is essentially the next layer of digital defense. Financially, Seals reported H1 2025 revenue of $4.8 million, consistent with the same period last year, signaling stability during its transition toward new technology launches. But the real highlight is the company's cash position, which surged to $121 million as of June 30th, 2025, up from just $19 million a year earlier. That gives Seals the financial firepower to fund its next phase of growth without dilution or heavy borrowing. While the company posted an operating loss of $21.2 million, much of that was due to a one-time, non-recurring stock-based compensation charge of $9.9 million, meaning underlying operations remain under control. Looking ahead, Seals' management has guided full-year 2025 revenue between $17.50 and $20 million, implying growth of up to 82% year-over-year. They've also identified a massive $170 million business pipeline for 2026 to 2028, spanning PQC, ASIC, and sovereign semiconductor markets. With upcoming catalysts like the Quantix Edge Security Joint Venture and their first sales of Q-Vault chips in 2026, Seals is positioning itself as a global leader in quantum-safe cybersecurity. At a current stock price of around $6.16, Seals is viewed by many investors as an undervalued play on one of the most important themes of the decade, securing digital systems against quantum threats. The second stock on our list is Quantum Computing Incorporated, known by its ticker QUBT. Based in the United States, this company is pioneering the development of practical quantum systems aimed at tackling complex computational challenges across sectors like AI, cybersecurity, and data analysis. Unlike many competitors that rely on highly cooled, energy-intensive systems, Quantum Computing Incorporated is working on low-power, room-temperature quantum machines, a potential game-changer for widespread adoption. Although the company reported a challenging quarter, with sales dropping to $61,000 and net losses widening to $36.48 million, the stock still surged over 12% in the following week. This rebound underscores investor confidence in its long-term potential, especially as the tech sector remains buoyant and the Federal Reserve's expected rate cuts could fuel further growth in innovative industries. Currently trading around $12.86 per share, Quantum Computing Incorporated has caught Wall Street's eye. Two analysts have issued 12-month price targets ranging from $24 to $40, with an average target of $32, signaling an impressive 149% upside potential. The optimism comes from the company's growing focus on quantum cybersecurity and hybrid computing architectures, which could become crucial as more industries begin to adopt quantum-enabled systems. Despite short-term losses, QUBT is well-positioned to capitalize on the convergence of quantum hardware, software, and AI, a combination that could redefine data processing and security for decades to come. The third company to watch closely is D-Wave Systems Incorporated, trading under ticker QBTS. D-Wave is one of the true pioneers in this space, being the world's first commercial supplier of quantum computers. Unlike most of its competitors, D-Wave has been generating real revenue for years and already counts over 100 paying customers, including nearly 24 Fortune Global 2000 companies. The company specializes in both quantum annealing and gate model systems, giving it an edge in solving optimization problems that traditional computers struggle with. D-Wave's most recent financial results highlight its growing momentum. For the third quarter of fiscal 2025, the company reported revenue of $3.7 million, doubling year over year and rising 8% sequentially. Bookings reached $2.4 million, with an additional $12 million in new contracts closed after quarter end, reflecting a strong pipeline of enterprise demand. Profitability metrics are improving rapidly. GAAP gross profit hit $2.7 million, up 156% from last year, while gross margins expanded to 71.4%. On a non-GAAP basis, D-Wave's gross margin reached 77.7%, driven by efficiency gains from the new Advantage 2 processor installed at the Jülich Supercomputing Center. At the same time, operating expenses have risen to $30.4 million, primarily due to investments in personnel, fabrication, and stock-based compensation. While this might appear steep, it's a clear sign that D-Wave is scaling up aggressively to capture a growing market. Analysts are bullish, giving the stock an average price target of $37.50, with estimates going as high as $48, reflecting a 27% upside from its current price of $29.50. Fourth on our list is Rigetti Computing, trading under ticker RGTI. Rigetti is an American quantum hardware company best known for its modular, scalable architecture that enables multi-chip quantum systems. Its latest innovation, a 36-qubit modular system, has achieved 99.5% gate fidelity, effectively cutting quantum error rates in half compared to previous generations. This breakthrough puts Rigetti among the leaders in high-fidelity quantum hardware development. Financially, Rigetti's next earnings report is highly anticipated. Analysts project third quarter 2025 revenue of around $2.39 million and a loss per share of just 5 cents, representing a 37% year-over-year improvement. For the full year, revenue is expected to total $8.7 million, reflecting a temporary slowdown due to strategic investments, but showcasing stronger operational discipline. Currently priced at around $33.77 per share, Rigetti remains one of the most intriguing quantum hardware plays on the market. It has a history of beating expectations, a growing portfolio of research partnerships, and a strong position in the modular quantum computing space, an approach many experts believe will be essential for building large-scale, fault-tolerant systems. The company's R&D focus and technical leadership could make it a prime acquisition target or strategic partner for major cloud or semiconductor firms looking to enter the quantum race. With scalable technology and consistent progress, Rigetti stands out as a long-term gem with multi-bagger potential. Next up is IonQ, trading under ticker IonQ, a US-based quantum computing leader that has taken the market by storm. IonQ specializes in trapped ion quantum computers, which are considered among the most precise and stable architectures in the industry. Unlike many competitors still in early research stages, IonQ systems are already integrated into major cloud platforms such as Amazon AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. This gives the company unparalleled access to enterprise customers experimenting with real quantum applications today. IonQ's financial performance in 2025 has been nothing short of extraordinary. The company reported third-quarter revenue of $39.9 million, representing a massive 222% year-over-year increase and exceeding its own guidance range by 37%. This surge was driven by strong demand from enterprise customers and partnerships across multiple sectors. IonQ's balance sheet is rock solid, with $1.5 billion in cash and investments as of September 30th, 2025, and an incredible $3.5 billion pro forma after completing a $2 billion equity raise in October. This capital provides a long runway for continued R&D investment and expansion. While IonQ's GAAP net loss came in at $1.1 billion due to accounting charges and non-cash adjustments, its adjusted EBITDA loss of $48.9 million shows a much healthier operational picture. Analysts remain optimistic, with 8 Wall Street firms giving IonQ an average 12-month price target of $76.13, implying a 32.5% upside from its current $59.27 price. The highest forecast hits $100 per share, signaling strong conviction in IonQ's growth story. With industry-leading technology, robust cloud integration, and growing institutional confidence, IonQ continues to look like the market's premier pure-play quantum stock, one with both near-term momentum and massive long-term potential. And last on our list is none other than IBM, the century-old tech titan that has consistently proven its ability to reinvent itself. Trading under ticker IBM on the NYSE, International Business Machines Corporation is no longer just a legacy company. It's a powerhouse in AI, hybrid cloud, and quantum computing. IBM's deep R&D background, combined with its global enterprise reach, gives it a unique advantage in bringing advanced computing technologies to real-world businesses. Its IBM Quantum division is at the forefront of quantum hardware and software development, offering cloud-based quantum access to corporations and researchers worldwide. IBM's latest earnings show that its transformation strategy is working. The company posted $16.3 billion in quarterly revenue, up 9% year-over-year. Software revenue grew 10%, consulting rose 3%, and infrastructure surged an impressive 17%. Its gross profit margin climbed to 57.3%, with operating margins at 58.7%, both reflecting the success of IBM's shift toward high-value digital services. Free cash flow hit $7.2 billion year-to-date, with $9.2 billion in operating cash, giving IBM massive flexibility for buybacks, dividends, and reinvestment in growth. Beyond strong financials, IBM's future potential lies in the convergence of AI and quantum. Its Watson's platform is combining large language models with hybrid cloud infrastructure, while its quantum roadmap envisions scalable, error-corrected systems by the late 2020s capable of tackling real-world enterprise problems. For investors, IBM provides both stability and growth exposure to next-generation computing, a rare mix of blue-chip reliability and technological innovation. Well, that concludes our list of 6 quantum computing stocks with bullish investor sentiment that could deliver massive returns in the coming years. From cutting-edge innovators like Sealsk, QUBT, D-Wave, Rigetti, and IonQ to the tech giant IBM, these companies are building the backbone of tomorrow's computing power. Each represents a unique angle, from cybersecurity and AI integration to cloud quantum access and large-scale enterprise deployment. As the race for quantum dominance accelerates, early investors in these names could be sitting on the next big wave of technological wealth creation. Always remember, the future of computing is being built right now, and those who recognize it early have the chance to turn small investments into potentially life-changing profits.